Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete recent searches on Google Maps application. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your device and then open up the Google Maps app. Make sure that you're signed in to the right Google account as well. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen once you end up in the Explore page. A list of recent places and searches should appear on the screen right away. To delete the individual item, simply swipe left on the search and tap on the trash icon. And you will then be able to delete the recent search. To clear all the search history, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. Now, click on Settings from the list. After you open up Settings, scroll down under Account Setting and tap on Maps History. This will now take you to myactivity.google.com website, from where you'll need to go ahead and click the cross icon right next to the searches. This will then delete the searches individually, but if you want to delete all of the search history, simply tap on Delete at the top right and click whether you'd like to delete the searches from all time, today, or you want to turn on the auto delete option. Simply go ahead and make your choice and click on delete, and that way you will be able to delete all the search history from your Google Maps application. So that's how it's done. If you are trying to clean up your history or just keep things private, this is how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.